live at Ikea Fishers. Which actually I didn't go live, but I'm here and I'm going to show you some stuff, so stay tuned. And these are some of the things that are being given away. Yep, guys, that is a couch and that chair, and kids can get the red heart and the little dog. It's so cute. Sofa Paradise.
Yes, so the
lounge room area has 590 feet through the whole thing. So we've got a bathroom with 2 vanities, toilet, bedroom. We go into a little office area, living room. There's a kitchen on this side, a tiny bedroom space, the living room, and back to where we started. Pretty cool. Guys, it is so bad that Ikea is now in my home state because I feel like I'm going to be here every week again. You guys know that Ikea has 10-year warranties on their sinks and their faucets and 25-year warranty on their cabinetry. That's insane. Guys, the most valuable information I'm learning at this IKEA tour is how to efficiently use these shortcuts. I can get in and out of IKEA in like 5 minutes, yeah right, and be on my way. IKEA has some serious closet goals, and my home does not accommodate my closet needs, nor my husband's millions of closet needs. So we're gonna have to get this figured out ASAP. This is the new pet area. Like, North and Joey 2 Chains need all this stuff. They're cats instead of dogs. This is what North and Joey 2 Chains need. Are you ready for this? This is what dreams are made of. Pillow fight. This is what we call perfect vanity lighting. Can I get all these installed in my house, like one big room? Thank you. Come to mama. All the pink and green. Yes.